In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the program can't start because API MS1 CRT runtime 1.1.0.dll is missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So open any browser. Okay, let me open it from here. And simply type Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. Hit enter. Click on from Microsoft.com. Now select your language and then click on the download button. So choose the download that you want. So check for the architecture of your Windows. Type system info on the Windows search bar. And then you will find the system type. So we are in a 64 based or the 64-bit and click on download. Wait for this to be downloaded into your system. Click on the folder icon and then double click. Then you have to click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. So you have to install that into your Windows. Okay, then we are going to go into this link. So again, open a browser. I will paste the link from here and hit enter. Now here we are going to download for the file that is for the architecture of our Windows. So click on download. Now here it is. It is done. Click on the folder icon. Then you need to make a right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Then copy the first one. Right click, select copy. And then go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Look for the Windows folder. Then look for the System32 folder. And then paste it here. Okay? And that's it. You just have to restart your Windows once and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.